Alrighty, hello, welcome to day 15 of the coding process. And I forgot to say this last time, but that means I've been doing this for like a whole 2 weeks. 2 weeks in one day now. Yeah, cool. All right, today we're going to add some sound effects and particles. And I am definitely not constrained for time whatsoever. Alrighty, I just did the first little thingy lesson thing. Watched the video, and now I need to find where the particles are kept. Right here. Open the particles, and then we have an explosion smoke. Let's get a little closer so we can see it better. And now we can play the explosion, restart it, pause it, stop it, play it. Cool. And we can go ahead and change with their particle system that they have. We can go ahead and change all this stuff about it, which is pretty cool. I'm not going to change any of it though, because I just kind of like how it is. And we're going to drag it into our player to make it a child object, which just means that this is the parent. So therefore it is like all contained in this object. And there is actually one thing I am going to change about it is I don't like that the explosion, I did not mean to play it. I don't like that the explosion comes from right there. I'm going to look down right here because this is what we'll see the explosion coming from. Dang it, that's like this. That's the second time I've done that. All right, so I want the explosion to come from lower than that. There, that looks about good. Let's look down here. Restart, restart. I think that's about good. Looks good to me. Let's actually, you know what? Let's just go ahead and go to what? Didn't mean to do that. 0.7. Why? I don't really know. Just one less. Yeah, it looks fine to me. All right, stop that. Bring that up and on to the next thing. Alrighty, we only got like two things to even put in right now. I know what I'm saying. That doesn't matter. Whoops. Don't delete the code now. All right, it has to be a public because it is not part of everything. Public particle collision event, no particle system, and then call it explosion particle. I don't think that's how you spell explosion. Oh, explosion particle. Did I spell particle wrong? Yes, I did. Oh, particle. Yes, okay. Well, now I gotta. God dang it. Gosh, type the right thing. Come on, dude. All right, now we go in our if statement. That is when we die, and we type something. What is it? What do we call it? Explosion particle. Explosion particle. Something. Dot. I don't remember if it's a dot or a comma, but then we do particle start. Particle. Get particles. Trigger particles. Set particles. Play on awake. Is it comma? It might not. Is a dot. Okay, that means it has to be a dot. Dot particles. Get particles. Is it possibly play? I'm gonna have to check just really quick. It is just play. I thought we had to access the particles. All right. But apparently not. Explosion play. Oh, I remember. We don't have to access the particle. itself because we're about to access it in the game. And then we go in here, and if you click on here, you can see that, oh, no particle has been assigned. Drag the particle in, and there we go. Now, when I go ahead and you can go ahead and pay attention to whichever screen you want to, but now the explosion will hit or go off when I hit something. Let's go. It works. Awesome. On to the next thing. Alrighty, this one's another easy one. I am not supposed to start in this, but you know what? I'm going to. So we are making another public particle system, and this one is going to be a dirt particle. Once I remember how to spell particle. That says dirt practice. Particle. And that thing. And now, just having it isn't what we want. So we want it is going to autoplay. So when we are not on the ground, we want it to stop. So we are going to go dirt particle dot stop, or stop, and then that. But once we're on the ground, we want it to start again. So we are going to go dirt particle dot start, not stop. Start. Why is it not start? Sorry, someone walked in my room. Dot start. Oh, dot play. My bad. Dot play. That's not what we're supposed to type. Dot play. And then when we die, we want it to stop. So dirt particle dot pause would also work, but we are going to dot stop. And then put in here. Where is it? Right there. Now we have not created the we have not made the dirt thing yet. I just simply wanted to do it first. All right, so it looks to me like it is automatically going where we want it. We're gonna drag it in here, by the way. For the guy in the video, the rotation was all messed up, but for us, it is not. It is not lined up with his feet, but you cannot tell in this. I think I will put back. Yeah, you can tell a little bit. So I'm going to move it back right there. That looks about right. Now we are going to go into the player, open the particle up, and then dirt splatter. No, we don't want to open dirt splatter. Go in dirt splatter. Oh, crap. Cancel. And then if you see down here where it says dirt particle, we're dragging dirt splatter into dirt particle. Now it should work. The animation stopped, which is not good. We need to make sure it is on automatically. Where is it? Simulation delta time, max particles, auto random, stop action, always simulate. Okay, I think that's the mode. They changed it from that when that guy was making the video. All right, now we're gonna put ourselves down here so we can look at the feet, so we can see the particles, play it, and hope the particles start. Yes, they do. And when we jump, they stop, which is a good thing. All right, and then we die, and they also stop. Let's go. Good job, me. All right. On to the next thing. Alrighty, so now we are gonna add some background music. We will be adding sound effects next. I wish I... Oh, wait. Oh, I can. Oh, that's nice. All right, so, next thing we are adding sound effects, and we are adding background music. So, I wanna be able to see what the guy in the video saw. It looked cool. Oh, that sucks. I'm gonna have to open them, like... Okay. Oh, wait, can I drag them up from here? Oh, I can! Yeah, look at it. It's cool. All right, whatever. I don't know if this is gonna be loud, so maybe a headphone warning. I don't know. Okay, yes, it was loud. Very loud. So the next one's also gonna be very loud. So turn the volume down. All right, we got one more. All right. All right, so I think we are going to use the first one. I'm going to listen to it one more time, so prepare yourself. I don't know. We'll see how it fits with the game, but we are going to go into our main camera, and you see this audio listener. We don't need that. We need to add an how do you spell audio? Audio source. So now our camera listens and makes audio. I know, crazy. Now the clip we are going to use is this one. In the output, don't need one. We're going to make sure it's looping because we don't want it to end. And we're going to turn it down. 300 sounds about right to me. Seems fine with me. All right. Now we'll go ahead and see if it works. And see if it fits with. Oh yeah, it's a lot quieter. It's a lot nicer. I hope it's not too loud. It's still loud, but it's a lot less loud. All right. I don't exactly know. I hope you can hear me over it. I don't know how playing other sounds works with my recording because I've never played other sounds while I've recorded. Let's go ahead and turn it down to 0.15. Not 315, 1.5. I think that's like half. Makes sense. And we'll just go ahead and make sure it's good. Yep, that sounds good to me. All right, on to other sound effects, I think. Alrighty, time to make some new variables. And they are going to be, there's going to be two of them. Public audio clip. Jump. Sound. I bet you'll never be able to guess what that one does. And then we're going to make another one. Not dirt sound, but it completed everything, so I'm just going to use it. Was it crash? That's not how you spell crash. Crash. Sound. Sound. I know how to spell. And that's it. That's it for those. That's not it for what we're doing. I was just saying that's it for that. Now if we go into player, boom, we have two empty thingy-majingies. Now we're gonna close the particles tab because we don't need it, and the music tab. Now if we open our SFX sounds, we have 3 crashes and 3 jumps. The guy in the video did not listen to them, but I am going to. I am also going to see if I can turn the volume down. Yeah, that scared me. I can't turn the volume down, so suck it. That was very loud. Next one. Next one. I like this one, the crash one. We're gonna have to turn the volume down, obviously, but I like crash one. Now the jump sounds. That sounds fine, I guess. I do not like that sound. I don't like that sound either. Let's listen to this one again. Don't like that noise. I guess we're doing jump 1 and crash 2, correct? Or crash 1, correct? Yes. I hope you have your volume all the way up, by the way. I don't know who you are, but I hope you have your volume all the way up. All right, now we're gonna see if it works. I don't think they will because I didn't assign them. Yeah, I didn't assign them anything. I just made them. So we will turn down the volume of them later. If I even can. How did I turn down? Oh, wait, I can't turn these down. Oh, that's gonna suck for you. Alrighty, there's a couple of things that we gotta add. I can already tell you that I'm gonna have to look back at it. This one was a public, I think. Maybe. I don't know. Actually, I think it was private. Private. And it was an audio something. It was not an audio clip. It was an audio source. And player audio source. I will take 2/3 of that. Player audio. Thank you. And then now we are going to go ahead and go right here and do player audio. Get component audio source. Awesome. Pretty sure like every single time I've typed one of these in here, it's auto-completed the get component. All right, now when we jump, we need it to play. So we are going to go player audio. Dot play does not work because it's audio. Dot something. Play one shot is what we need to happen. Play one shot. And then do that. No. There we go. Let's play one shot because play one shot plays it once. So I am missing something in here, actually. I just realized because you are able to type stuff in this. All right. I need the jump sound. What was it called? Well, yeah, jump sound because this is jump sound. And then a number for how loud it's going to be. We're just going to go full volume for the moment. I will probably end up turning it down, but at the moment, just full volume. All right, now we need it to play our crash sound. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and copy this line of code, paste it down in here, switch jump sound with crash sound, and it should work. Actually, there is one other thing we need to change. We need to wait for this to load. And then in our player, we need to add a component, an audio source, and now it should all work because it will access those with audio source and yada, yada, yada. All right, cool, let's play. See if it works. All right, we'll see if jumping works. It does. It sounds kind of weird with that noise. I don't think that's too loud, though. And the crash I'm going to turn down probably to about 0.7. That sounds right. The crash 0.7, because that was kind of loud. And the background music is still loud. It's still loud. So I'm still going to turn it down. I don't know if it's loud in the video, but it's loud in my headphones. So I'm turning it down. And if it's not loud in the video and it's quiet, it sucks for you. You don't get to hear it, whatever. I don't know. All right, we'll test it now. Sounds good background. Oh, ah. What the heck? I got comboed there. Wait a second. I gotta turn the volume of the crash down again, but hold on. That's hilarious. I can get double hit. All right, we'll turn it to 4. Maybe that'll work. I was gonna go half, but maybe 4 will work. Wait for it to load. And we'll jump right as we die again, just to... Yep, all right. That sounds good to me. So on to the next thing. I don't know what's next, but something maybe. Alrighty, so this is the end of this video. I don't know, here's a sneak peek of what we're gonna do next time, another challenge. This game is over for now. Hopefully you can hear me over the noises, but yeah, that's the end of the video. It's another short one, but I think I might just keep making them more short, because then they're easier to watch. And as I am going to say that I always do, I will end it when I die. So I die, I will end the video. I have nothing else to say, so I'm not gonna. Bye.